These are 5 ways on how you can fill your sketchbook. Let's get into it. This can be sometimes challenging because you want to fill your sketchbook, but like you don't know how or you don't know where to start. My advice on filling your sketchbook would be procrastinate on everything but making art. Put yourself into it, make art, and have fun. Positivity through creativity, right? And also don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just relax. And another piece of advice I'd give to you guys is use drawing prompts. Drawing prompts can be an amazing way of just letting your creativity out. Maybe like a 30-day drawing prompt challenge where you have like a lot of prompts. Let's just say today's prompt is trees. Maybe you can draw a bunch of trees, learn stuff like that. Tomorrow's prompt is anatomy, and you can draw anatomy. You can learn a lot from that, and you can fill your sketchbook by doing that. I mean, imagine making like 30 drawings every day for the rest of the month. I mean, that's clearly 1 month, right? So imagine, and if your sketchbook is like 30 pages or something, I mean, hey, you just filled your sketchbook, right? So use drawing prompts. They're really, really helpful. And here's more advice I'd give to you guys.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away like a...
And yeah, those are 5 ways of filling your sketchbook or helping you fill your sketchbook. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.